Hello coders, I'm back again with another Excel video, and this particular video will demonstrate how to automate your process. That is, whenever you are entering a new name in your Excel sheet, automatically the serial number will be placed appropriately. So we have this particular all these names, so we can write simply here one and then press enter and then drag all the way across to the down, and from here we will be selecting this fill series. But that's pretty much simple. The problem will be something like this, that whenever you are adding a new name to it, the new name to the existing data, maybe uh, Shamol, he just joined. So you have to manually again type in here either 9, or you have to select this 8 and drag for 9. So it didn't just click on this fill series, and then after Shamol, if again someone, maybe Rima, she joins, then again you have to write the serial number. How to automate this particular process? So we'll be moving into a new sheet, and let me give the heading something like serial number, and beside it we will be giving it name. So what we will be doing is that here we will be using a function. Sorry, here we will be using a function equal to if this particular column is equal to blank, that is if no names are present within it. So what we will be doing is that we will be simply printing nothing. Pretty much simple. Fine. So if that is not the scenario, then what we will be doing is that we will be writing a row function. Now this row function returns the row number, which will be 2. Means this row number is 2. So if data is present, if it is blank, then nothing will be shown. If in B2, that is within name, we have written some name, then it would return the row number, that is 2. But the problem is that whenever we are dragging all the way across to the down, now we all know that if this is A1, and then if this is A colon A, that means see all of the range of the cells are being selected. This the A column is being selected. So we don't need that one. We need 1 colon 1. So if this is 1 colon 1, that simply means that the cell next right below it will be 2 colon 2. So that will be 2 will be printed. So let me press enter. So let me again repeat. A colon A means the whole of the, that is A colon A means the whole of the column. Now 1 colon 1 means that if this is 1 colon 1, then according to relative difference, if this is 1, the cell below it will be 2 colon 2. So we'll be just dragging all the way across to maybe 12. Fine. Now let me name some names. Riju Sarkar. What happens? Fine. After that, maybe I'll be writing Alok. Uh, Sorry, my mistake. It's Alok Bhanguria. Sorry. Alok Bhanguria. Yeah. So after that, we'll be giving some. So see, automatically the names are getting populated. So I'll be giving here Manosh Maiti, and then Porimol Jana. Fine. So before ending the video, I will again like to demonstrate that if you are writing equal to row function, so the cell in which you are writing the row function, it will return the row number of that particular function. That's row function. Now inside row we can customize something like inside row we write C colon C, but it would mean that it is selecting the whole of the column. But we are not concerned about this particular thing, that is C colon C. So we are concerned about row function, and we are concerned about 1 colon 1. So if that's 1, then the cell below it will be 2 colon 2, something like that. So I'll be pressing here. So from the data tab here, sorry, formulas tab, there is this particular, I'll be clicking on this particular option, show formula. And here is the formula which I have just written. See, if this is 1 comma colon 1, so according to the relative difference, whenever I am dragging it, the cell below it will be 2 colon 2. So if it is a blank B3, there is no value present in this particular cell, then it will be left blank, nothing will be shown. However, if something is being written in it, then row 2 colon 2. So that's all for this particular Excel video tutorial. So I showed you that how to give serial number to a to a table where the records will be inserted, and according to the record, so new record will be inserted. You don't need to write the serial number one more time. will be automatically. So that's automation or automation. Thank you all guys and happy coding.